Hey guys, welcome back to my podcast. This episode is going to be all about how Google Docs works. So as you can see here, I have a untitled document open on Google Docs, and I want to show you guys the different functions and how it works. So this is a blank document, but I will show you guys the other templates in case you guys are interested later on. But let's get started. So right now, we're going to go through. So right here, you can click the bold, italicize, and underline. And when the blue is on, that means they're on, but you can click them each time to turn them off. Also, if you want to put this in print layout right here, you go to this 3-dot bar right here, and it says, okay, print layout. But you can also check the word count. See, this is how it works. And then you can also, go to the plus size one icon and either insert a table or an image. And let's just say you want to go with 3 rows, 3 columns, and we're going to insert it right here. So sometimes it's going to be squares, or it could be like long rectangles, but if you do want to get rid of it, you're going to have to one minute here. So this little black thing here is going to show up, and you're going to say delete table. So if you want to change the color of your text, this is how it works. So right now we have it in blue, but we can also change it from black to gray to green, and the different shades here too. Also, you can use the highlighter, changing color for that as well. You could put it at black, same thing, different shades of blue, different shades of red, etc. So right now, we're going to go to this, not that one. In order to do the font and paragraph, the style, you have about 6 different headings: normal text and subtitle. If you want to go with heading number 2, which we can do that, that's how it works. If you want a different font, you can scroll down. They have Arial, they have Times New Roman, etc. Roboto, let's go with Roboto. And then you can also tap the up arrow to increase the font size, or click the down arrow to decrease the font size. For the paragraph section, we're going to go here. So you can either do it like this, this, or this. And the cursor moves in different areas each time. For the bullet points, those are right here. You have 5 different options on how you want to make the list, like whether it's a to-do list or presentation for school or whatever. Then these are the options for the numbered bullet points that you can use. So for the spacing part, you can click the up arrow 3 times to get to double space, and the same amount on the down arrow to go to single space. And for the layout, we're going to go straight here. So this is like the whole columns thing. If you want the column to be like this, or this, you can choose each one. You can also choose the different column direction if you want it going this way or that way. So we're going to click that or that. And then also for the people who are genuine AI users, right here, this little star is for Gemini. And so what we're going to do, we're going to enter a prompt right here. Let's say we talk about film. I type that in right here, and I click this little arrow. And, well, looks like it figures out how the different movie reviews that are requested and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool how this works. Yeah, yeah, but but in order, there's also a little thing on the side here for tab 1. That's just for the document tabs. Like if you want to do a chapter or whatnot, right here, we're going to go up to this blue arrow. We're going to go back and let me show you the templates that Google Docs has. If you're a teacher, if you're looking for a different job, if you're wanting to write a letter of recommendation. So these are the templates that are available on Google Docs. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys all next time.